was a brewer at a brew pub in downtown Minneapolis, and me and Omar met after not seeing each other for about almost probably 15, 20 years. Met again at the Craft Brewers Conference, and he started hanging out with me, talking about his plans to try to open a brewery. It slowly kind of progressed from that to us deciding to work together, and then I could bring a lot to help him for everything from putting the brewery together to recipe development and all that stuff. So, you know, I always say that most craft beer or good beer is made with 4 ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, and yeast. There's no secrets. There's really, I mean, there's some process things, and there's some tweaks and recipes and some little things you can do, but generally there's still, those things are all still available to everyone, every brewer, every brewery, almost every home brewer now. The challenging part is then, for me, and when we started this, one thing I wanted to do was make sure everything we did that we liked, we wanted to be able to recreate and make as consistent as possible. Not only for the customer, but for ease of training and making the guys in back job as easy as possible to make the beer consistent. A lot of the beers we're making are delicate. You know, we make a Helles, which is a German light lager. It's on right now. The beer's never, in my opinion, never tasted better, never looked better, never been more consistent than this summer because that pump and the centrifuge. So it'll run and stop, but it's just super smooth. So the benefit for the centrifuge is that it's not pulsing. It's got a solid push of beer. It's all it's doing is just always gently pushing beer in the centrifuge. If you're beating your beer up, and that's not considered an expense, then maybe you're looking at it wrong, because I think for us it's about not just the immediate, is it going to make us more money or make more beer to sell? It's, you know, long term, and how does it affect the beer?